Hi, and welcome to our new viewers, as well as returning ones. I'm David Daniels from Chick Publications. Thank you for over 3 million views. There are over 300 videos of various kinds. You can see them all in order, newest to oldest, under the Videos tab. We have many topics sorted into playlists. They are under the Playlists tab. All my videos are subtitled in English, so you can click where it says CC or Captions. Be sure to choose English, not the auto-generated one. I try to make them as accurate as possible, but if I make any mistakes, the corrected information is in the subtitles. It also means that all my videos are searchable. Using a computer web browser in the main Chicktracts window, on the far right of the tabs is a magnifying glass. Click that magnifying glass to search for any word or words contained in any video. The videos with those words will pop up. I hope this will be an enjoyable experience for you. You're welcome to share these with as many others as you want, as long as you don't change them. If you want to learn more, just go to www.chick.com/Bible, as it says on the bottom of each video. And if you want to subscribe, be sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell notification button so you'll be the first to know when new videos come out. God bless you and have a wonderful day.